Let's dive into Division 56 divided by 2. Super Math Stars. Sparkle's ready to conquer division. Hit that subscribe button for more awesome math adventures with Let's Stud.
Alright, let's start dividing 56 by 2. We'll begin with the first divot, 5. We bring down the 5, say we have 5. How many times does 2 fit into 5? It fits 2 times. Let's check. 2 times 2 is 4. Now we subtract. 5 minus 4 leaves us with 1. Awesome work. You're doing great. We've got a remainder of 1. Now let's bring down the next divot, 6, to make 6. Now we have 16. Let's see how many times 2 fits into 16. We use the remainder 1, and the next divot 6 to make 16. How many times does 2 get into 16? It's at times. Let's check. At times 2 is 16. Subtracting 16 from 16 leaves us with 0. Woohoo, you nailed it. And that's it. We've divided 56 by 2. The answer is 28.
So 56 divided by 2 is 28. We just did it. We tackled 56 divided by 2 step by step. Remember, every long division problem is just a series of smaller manageable steps. You've got this. Woo, you crushed that division problem. Keep practicing and exploring more fun math on Let's Stud. See you next time.